If you have a cat, you've probably heard it making unusual noises from time to time. This happens when the cat spots a potential prey but can't catch it. The frustration of not being able to hunt, combined with the excitement of seeing the prey, which makes their mouth water, causes them to make these weird sounds. It's all due to the mix of excitement and frustration. Next time your cat makes those quirky noises, you'll know exactly what's going on. What funny cat behaviors have you noticed? Share your stories with us.